Ever felt that sinking feeling when you're staring at your bank balance, knowing payday is still a few days away, and an unexpected bill pops up? Or maybe you just need a little extra to cover groceries this week. You've heard of Beforepay, that app that lets you access a portion of your upcoming pay early, but a question keeps nagging at you: can I just add my own money to it? It's a fair question, right? After all, if you could just top it up, it might make things even more convenient. You could essentially use it like a digital wallet, right? Well, let's dive into the specifics of how Beforepay works and answer that burning question. Beforepay is designed to provide short-term financial assistance by granting you access to a portion of your future wages before they hit your bank account. It's not a traditional bank account or a digital wallet where you can deposit your own funds. The core function revolves around accessing your already earned, but not yet paid, salary. Think of it this way: Beforepay is a bridge, not a storage unit. It connects you to your upcoming paycheck, offering a safety net when you need it most. The app analyzes your income and spending patterns to determine how much you're eligible to access. This amount is based on your regular pay cycle and the consistency of your income. So, the short answer is no, you cannot directly add your own money to your Beforepay account. It's not designed for that purpose. The app operates on a system of advances against your future pay, not as a general savings or spending account. Now, why does this matter? Understanding this distinction is crucial to using Beforepay effectively. It's not a replacement for a traditional bank account. It's a tool to manage short-term cash flow issues. Instead of adding money, you repay the advanced amount on your next payday, along with a small fixed fee. This structure ensures that Beforepay remains a short-term solution, preventing users from relying on it as a long-term financial strategy. However, there are ways to manage your finances alongside using Beforepay. For example, you can use budgeting apps to track your spending and identify areas where you can save. You can also set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account to build an emergency fund. These strategies, combined with the occasional use of Beforepay when needed, can help you achieve greater financial stability. It's important to remember, Beforepay is a tool, and like any tool, it's best used correctly. Using it to manage a genuine short-term cash flow crunch is its intended purpose. Trying to use it as a general spending account by adding your own funds simply isn't how it's designed to function. So, while you can't directly add money to your Beforepay account, you can certainly leverage its features to manage your finances more effectively. By understanding its limitations and combining it with sound financial practices, you can navigate those unexpected expenses and bridge the gap between paychecks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.